Hey guys, I have an easy and healthy breakfast for you today with lots of veggies, eggs, and potatoes. Start off by peeling and cubing about 5 russet potatoes. Put them in a large bowl and cover with water. This will help them stay fresh and not turn gray. Store them in the refrigerator while you prepare the rest of the ingredients. Whenever I'm preparing ingredients, I like to cut more than I need and store them for later use in other recipes, like these bell peppers. So I'm cutting some into strips while I use 2 of them for today's recipe. Cut the bell peppers for today's recipe into bite-sized pieces. Next, you need 1 large onion chopped into small pieces. I have some room left over in my storage container, so I'm going to go ahead and slice some mushrooms to store for later. They're not a part of the recipe though. Once I'm done preparing my ingredients, I'm going to drain the potatoes. Then I'm going to gather the seasoning for them. You'll need 1/4 of a cup of olive oil, 4 tablespoons of lemon juice, a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Add the potatoes to a large bowl and mix with the seasonings. Spread on a baking sheet and roast in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes until fork tender. Meanwhile, prepare a large skillet with deep sides over low to medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, then the onion and bell peppers. Add salt, pepper, and whatever other seasoning you'd like at this time. I added garlic and thyme. Cook until soft. Add 2 cans of crushed tomatoes and make little wells in the veggies to make room for the eggs. Add the eggs and cook until the yolk is to your desired doneness. Serve with potatoes and enjoy your healthy breakfast. Thanks so much for joining me today. And if you like this recipe, hit that thumbs up button. It really helps me out a lot.